A month passes, and now I can speak the language of Lilliput. I ask to speak to the king. He comes to the temple on his small white horse. Please, free me. I can't, Man Mountain. My people are scared of you. After that, people come to see me every day. They climb onto my hand, and I talk to them quietly. Boys and girls climb on me and play in my hair. Soon everyone on the island likes me. 3 weeks pass, and the guard removes the ropes on my legs. I can now walk around the island. I visit the city of Mildendo and the king's palace. The people are happy to see me, but they are scared of my big feet. They run into their houses and watch from the windows. The king's palace is in the middle of the city. It isn't very high, and there's a wall around it. I can look inside the palace. I can see the queen and the prince through the small windows. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning, Man Mountain. I'm fine, thank you. Chapter 4. Gulliver helps the king. One day the king comes to see me. He's scared. Soldiers from Blefuscu want to attack us, he says. Their warships are getting ready to travel to Lilliput. We need your help. They are very strong. Where is Blefuscu? I ask. Blefuscu is north of Lilliput, the king answers. I take my binoculars and walk to the north of the island. I lie near the beach and look across the sea. I can see the island of Blefuscu and the warships. There are 50 ships and there are hundreds of soldiers on the ships. It's terrible. I have a good idea. Please bring me some strong ropes and some metal hooks, I say to my servants. The servants bring the ropes and I cut them into 50 pieces and tie them to 50 hooks. Then I take the ropes and hooks and walk into the sea. I swim until my feet are on the ground again and I am near the island of Blefuscu. When the soldiers from Blefuscu see me, they are very scared. They jump out of the warships and into the sea. Then they swim to the beach. There are hundreds of people on the beach. They are all looking at me, surprised. Who is that man? They say. He is so big. The soldiers shoot arrows at me. I attach the hooks to the ships and take all the ropes in my hand. Then I pull the ships in the water to Lilliput. The king is very happy. After 2 weeks, 2 ambassadors from Blefuscu come to Lilliput. Our people are tired of war. We want to make peace. We are tired of war too. Let's make peace. When the ambassadors leave, the king speaks to me alone. I have an idea, he says. You can capture men and women from Blefuscu and bring them to Lilliput. They can be my servants. No, I say, it's a terrible thing to do. I'm the king. Obey me, says the king. I'm sorry. I don't want to do it, I answer. The king is very angry. He doesn't come to see me for a long time. Then, one day, I see smoke in the city. There's a fire in the king's palace. People are running in the streets with buckets of water. We can't put out the fire, says a man. Can you help, Man Mountain? The fire is in the queen's room. The queen is standing near the window. Help! Fire! She shouts. I talk to the queen through her window. I can help you, I say. I remove my shoe and put water in it. Then I pour the water into the queen's room and put out the fire. The queen is very wet and very angry. Ah, look at my hair. Look at my beautiful dress. Chapter 5. Gulliver's Escape. 3 days pass, and then 2 guards come to get me. "Come with us, Man Mountain," they say. "Why?" I ask. "The king is waiting to punish you," one guard says. "Why? I don't understand," I say. "It's a crime to pour water on the queen," says the other guard. I'm scared. "What does the king want to do?" I ask. "He wants to take out your eyes." "What? You can't do that. The king is cruel. I'm not coming with you." I walk past the guards and over the houses of Mildendo. Soon I am at the north side of the island and in the sea. I am going to Blefuscu. The people of Blefuscu see me coming. The king of Blefuscu is waiting for me on the beach. I want to live here. "Welcome to Blefuscu, Man Mountain. Now he can help our soldiers." "Of course you can live here. The people of Blefuscu are nice to me, but I don't have a house because there are no big houses in Blefuscu. I sit and think about my comfortable home in England and my wife and 2 children. I want to go home." After 3 days, I see something in the sea. I remove my shoes and walk into the sea to see what it is. It's a small boat. Maybe I can go home in this boat. I climb into the boat and it starts to move. "Goodbye, Lilliput and Blefuscu," I say. "I'm free."